Here's my video for 2.3, proving that I've done all the assignments. So you can clearly see that I'm able to log in. I don't know how well you can see these, it's pretty small, but I was able to create a directory, list the contacts directly, and display an alias. So you can see at the bottom of this one, it says, "Who am I? Ubuntu." So you know that I was able to do that. Again, more things you've asked us to do. A catalog of Data 1 Server 1, so you can see all the stuff that's in there. I believe that's the question that you're asking, or one of the main questions is display the contents. And here's the contents of Data 1 Server 1. Your other question is the output of the df-h command in Data 1 Server 1? No, because df stands for the whole thing, the whole file, all of it. And it's translated into human form, so you know how much space is taken up by DF or the whole system. It will not show you Data 1 Server 1 because there's a file on the system and not the system itself. In your own words, describe what sudo means. Sudo is the gatekeeper or keymaster. In my opinion, it is a command that basically gives you the access to be able to change whatever you want to change, files, everything. Gives you permission to do whatever you want to do, pretty much. Describe what command ps does. PS is process something. PS stands for process status. It literally gives you where you are. I think I have a screenshot of one of those here. It literally tells you where you're at. So yeah. Again, here are some of the screenshots to show that I've done the work that's involved. It wasn't easy. There was a lot of back and forth because for some reason I would miss a dash or a dot or something that I didn't believe was part of the code when it is actually part of the code. So yeah. So one of the last things you asked us to do was the history. You can see all the history of what I have done. There's more of the history. So you can see all the different commands that I've done, all the different things. So you can clearly see I've definitely tried to do what you've asked us to do. So there you go. Thank you. And goodbye.